Everyone and welcome to ERA Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you types of letters. Letter writing with a new style, that is American style, and it is known as block letter writing. So let us start with letter writings. Everyone of you are knowing that letters are written in two forms, formal or informal. So letters are broadly classified as formal or informal. So what is letter writing? Letter writing is an important topic in the English writing skills section for the school students. Everyone must know how to write a letter. While writing a formal letter, one has to follow the format of letter writing. A formal letter can be written for various reasons. Here we have covered the format of formal letter written for different purposes. On the other hand, the informal letter is written to one's friend, family, or relatives. As an informal letter is not an official letter, one does not have to follow any proper format. It is just like a formal talk only. How you are speaking with your friend, your family members, your relative, like that you can write down your informal letter. Uh, it is like a talk only. So when you are writing, it will give you it will give you feeling that you are talking with your friend or family. So here are some sample letters. Let us see. Before that, a letter is one person's writing message to another, pretending to some matter of common concern. Okay, why we are writing letter? Because we want to convey some message to others. Okay, so letters are formal letter and informal letter. So let us get some information, some important things about informal letter. Okay, so informal letter, a letter written for an informal purpose is called informal letter. It is written for casual purpose. Okay, means you are writing letter uh, for that no any official importance is there, but it is casual, it is friendly, it is related to family matter. Okay, so types of informal letters are letter to parents, letter to siblings, letter to friends, letter to classmates, letter to neighbors, like that you can write down informal letters. Now format of informal letter. Now informal letter does not have any proper means any strict format. Okay, so but let us see how to write informal letter. So following points need to be followed while writing an informal letter. An informal letter does not strictly follow the prescribed format. So it does not follow any prescribed format. Second, the language of an informal letter must be friendly and casual. So it is just like you are speaking with your friend, like that its language should be there. Okay. Then an informal letter can have extra information. So it should not be the precise up to the point, but extra also you can write down which you feel. The subject line is not required in informal letter. In informal letter, subject line is not necessary. You are not supposed to write it. Now the format of informal letter is as follows. So first you have to write down address, that is sender's address. Okay, address of senders is followed by that of the receiver. Then date, the date is written below the address. Okay, then salutation, then greeting, in greeting, dear, hi, hello, dear friend, dear mother, like that. Body, the matter of the letter is written here and it is divided into three paragraphs as follows. First paragraph is the beginning of the letter, means why you are writing letter. Then main content, that why actually you feel the need of writing letter, and ending. Okay, then sender's name and signature, all these things should be there. Now sample of the letter. Here are some solved questions on letter writing. Question number 1. First, Write a letter to your friend to get solution to the problem of water logging in your area in rain and the bad condition of roads. You are Raj or Rani of Dharavi, Mumbai. Okay. So this is, you are writing a letter to whom? You are writing letter to your friend. That means this is informal letter. But maximum time in question paper, both letters are asked with the same type of question. Matter is same but format is different, and uh, these two are option to you. Any one you have to write down in question paper. Write a letter to the news editor highlighting the problem of waterlogging in your area in rain. The bad conditions of road. You are Raj or Rani of Dharavi, Mumbai. Now same letter we will see with two different format. Okay. So for SSC board, this question number 5A is decided as a letter writing, and this question contains 5 marks. Okay. Let us see first letter, that is informal letter. When you are writing informal letter, at that time you have to write down only one address, and that is of sender's address. You are going to write down only sender's address. So one address is written here followed by the date. Later after that, now you are Rani or Raj. Okay. So like that you have to write down. Now you have to greet your friend as a here, dear Sonia. Sonia is the friend. And one important thing is there in this letter writing, you have to follow that this is block format letter writing. So everything should be written to the left margin only. Okay. No space you will leave for paragraph. Your paragraph also start by left margin only. But whenever you want to change the paragraph, at that time you have to leave line in between. Like that you can write down later. Okay. For informal letter you can write down 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, 4 paragraphs, 5 paragraphs. Okay. So let us start. Dear Sonia, I hope this letter finds you well. I write this letter to you to discuss a problem that you and I have often suffering about. Remember our bumpy rides to school in the school bus. Well, the stretch between SV Road at Milan Junction and the link road passing through Daulat and Rizvi Nagar is still a nightmare for commuters. That means those who are passing that road, it is difficult for them. They have to face lots of problem. I recently read in the paper that this infamous stretch has 179 potholes. To top it up, the rains have turned many of them into small pools of dirty water. The biggest among them measuring 3 by 3 meter with the depth of 10 inches. Naturally, the motorcyclists struggle every day to commute on this road. That means people are facing lots of problem. Okay. So like that you are writing to your friend, and then you have to write down that authority may take years to act upon this problem. So it is up to us to take the necessary precautions to avoid any fatalities. We need to instruct our bus driver to steer clear of the big potholes. Driving slowly will minimize the inconvenience caused to the passengers. The water filled potholes have to be avoided since it is difficult to gauge their depth. We can also opt for an alternate route even if it takes longer to get to school. I have decided to distribute these printed instructions to other motorcyclists who use this road. I truly believe that the frequency of accident can be brought down considerably if anyone adhere to these instructions. Write back to me with your views on this subject. Yours truly, Rani. Okay. So this is informal letter. Rani is writing a letter to her friend Sonia. You can see here for informal only one address is written with date, and paragraph is made by leaving the gap of one line, but everything is attached to left margin. Now formal letter. The letter written for formal purpose is called formal letters. Okay. It addresses a serious issue. That means when you have some serious issues, at that time only you are writing this letter. So types of formal letters are letter to editor, letter to government, letter to police, letter to principal, order letter, complaint letter, inquiry letter, business letter, application letter for job, letter to the bank manager, then invitation letter, then resignation letter, leave application for marriage, leave application for maternity. Like that, many means many types are there in which we are writing formal letter. Now format of the formal letter includes, first you have to follow this point, that a formal letter strictly follow the prescribed format. Okay, that means it is up to the point only. Use of colloquial word, abbreviations and slang language should be restricted with writing a formal letter. That means while writing letter you have to be very particular. Your language must be civilized. A formal letter must be precise and to the point. The subject line is very important in a formal letter. So for formal letter we are writing subject lines. So in this letter we are going to write down the sender's address and receiver's address with date. Receiver's address means first we have to write down sender's address with date, and after that receiver's address. So remember, sender's address will be always there in both the letters, but receiver's address you have to write down only in formal letter. Then subject of the letter, then salutation, then body of the letter, matter of the letter is written here. It again divided into 3 paragraph. It is up to you. You can write it in 2 paragraphs also. Then 7th is complimentary closing. The 8th is sender's name and signature and designation if you have any proper post. Now the same question about the issue of the road that we are writing for formal letter. Okay, so address is same, sender's address. Now here we are writing this letter to the news editor. So who is receiver? News editor. News editor, the Times New Paper, Fort Mumbai. Now so what is subject here? Subject is the bad condition of road. Now here, dear sir, by mistake immediately it is started, but here you have to start with the new line. Okay, this thing you have to start with the new line. Dear sir, below dear sir, I Rani Ranabat am the student of St. Aloysius High School. I have written to you to highlight the plea of the commuter who happen to use the infamous CS road every day. Traveling by this road has become increasingly difficult due to the increasing number of potholes. Some potholes are so big and small vehicles like rickshaw or motorbike get stuck in them. This problem worsened during the monsoon when these ditches fill up with water. Unsuspecting commuters, the motorcycle, routinely get injured trying to navigate through these potholes. I sincerely request commuters be asked to drive slowly along the road to minimize the casualty. Helmet should be made mandatory to motorcyclists who use bike and scooters. Also, vehicles must be told to steer away from water-filled potholes since many of them look deceptively shallow. Lastly, I suggest using the adjacent SM mark, which is relatively better than CS road. I truly hope that the commuters take these precautions to minimize the troubles they face every day. Thanking you, yours truly, Rani. Okay, so here you can notice the difference between informal and formal letter. For informal, only one address is necessary. You are writing only this address. Okay, but for formal letter, along with sender's address and date, maximum time students are having confusion. Date should be written with sender's address or receiver's. So date should be always written with sender's address. Okay. So here you are writing date, then one gap of one line, then write down address of the receiver, then one line gap, subject, then after one line gap, dear sir, after that again one line gap, and then you have to start I, Rani Ranawat, and whatever you want to write down. So that is about the letter writing. And for practice you can see this remaining 2-3 letters also. Okay, you can read out this is also one of the letter, and these are some questions related to letter writing. You can practice it at home for understanding it more better. Okay, I hope that everyone is now aware about the letter writing, how to write down, and which are the rules and regulations are there for that. You might have understood. If you have any query, please write down in comment box, and don't forget to like this video and also share it to your friends, those who are in need, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.